Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to edit audio velocity on CapCut. First, open CapCut on your device and import the video and the audio or music that you would like to use. Next, among the options below, navigate to Style and click on it. Here, tap on Velocity and choose Blur Shake. Adjust the speed to half and intensity to 100. Now go to Effects and select Video Effects. In here, choose Edge Glow. Export this video and that's it. You have now successfully edited audio velocity on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!